Today, I am sharing a recipe for a hair regrowth herbal shampoo that deeply cleanses your scalp from the roots and boosts hair growth up to 10 times faster. It effectively removes dandruff, including the flakes of skin that cause dandruff at the roots. This shampoo is more like a hair treatment. If you have any hair-related problems, stop wasting your hard-earned money and get these ingredients to make this powerful shampoo. Not only does this shampoo promote hair regrowth, but it also helps with fungal infections that cause extreme hair loss and bald patches on the scalp. If you have alopecia, I highly recommend using this. It is an extremely powerful natural shampoo that contains everything you need for hair growth. So to prepare this shampoo, first I'm adding arborvitae leaves. They are known as nature's secret. Awaken dormant strands, fueling lush and vibrant hair growth. Their potent essence nourishes the scalp, strengthening roots for thicker, healthier locks. Please don't get panicked with the ingredients. They sound new because we don't use them in our daily lives, but they all have strong medicinal properties, and you can find them on Amazon and Herbal stores. Next, I am adding raw Polygonum multiflorum. It's an extremely powerful ingredient. It makes hair grow faster, thicker, and stronger while bringing back its natural color. It stops hair loss, prevents breakage, and keeps hair soft and shiny. This powerful herb keeps your hair healthy, full, and beautiful for life. Next, add the slices of fresh ginger, because it stimulates hair growth by increasing blood circulation to the scalp and strengthening hair follicles. Its antibacterial properties help fight dandruff and keep the scalp healthy. Rich in nutrients and antioxidants, it nourishes the hair and prevents premature graying. Next, I am adding a sachet of dried gooseberry and soap nut. Gooseberry, amla, strengthens hair, prevents hair fall, and promotes faster growth with its rich vitamin C and antioxidant content. Soap nut, retha, gently cleanses the scalp, enhances shine, and prevents dandruff while supporting healthy hair growth. Together, they nourish the scalp, reduce breakage, and promote long, strong hair. Pour enough water to make the ingredients float. Now cover and steam cook for next 40 minutes. Then check and cook until 70% of the water evaporates. Strain and let it cool. It would start becoming thick once it cools down. Replace your regular shampoo with this homemade shampoo, and I promise with every single use, you will start getting rid of all your hair-related problems. And your hair will start becoming really thick and long with every passing day. Share this video with the ones who are struggling to grow hair. Oh guys, that's all for today. Feel free to ask any questions if you have any. Bye for now. Take care. Love you all.